Today we will discuss about reciprocating compressor. How reciprocating compressor will work and what are the parts of the reciprocating compressor. Firstly, we will discuss about the parts of the reciprocating compressor. We have a cylinder with a piston and piston rod, a air inlet pipe from where air will be sucked from this pipe, and a deliver pipe with a receiver which will receive the compressed air. There is a suction valve in the air inlet pipe and a delivery valve in the discharge pipe. Now we see the working of reciprocating compressor. What will happen when piston will move in the downward direction? Then it create a vacuum in the cylinder and this valve will open, and by the opening of the valve air will inlet in the pipe and reach in this cylinder. This cylinder will filled with the air, and when this piston move upward this valve will be closed, and this valve with the compressed air pressure will open, and by the opening of this valve air will be transmit to receiver, and receiver will filled with the compressed air, and this compressed air is used for further uses. This is the working of reciprocating compressor. Thank you for seeing this video. For more updated videos, you can subscribe me on my channel Learn and Grow. Thank you.